So you guys know that I've started a gluten-free journey, right? So I saw this at Walmart. It is brownie brittle chocolate chip, and I thought I'd share it with you. All right, hold on. Did it open? Let's do a smell test. It smells kind of like chocolate. Here's what it looks like. I only have like one tooth back here, so it's taking a minute. 4 pieces, 130 calories. Oh, 10 out of 10 would recommend. Sheila G's brownie brittle. I'm going to show you the back. Okay, Walmart. There we go.